So everywhere that you have a hierarchy and a tree of employees, you're going to see AI agents popping into all those functions and being a tool for the folks that are already in there to help them be more productive and be more effective. I think AI right now, and kind of with the inbound calls and dealing with customers, that's the fastest path to revenue, because you have an inbound call and you can tie that to an ROI. In the future, I see that being involved in operations and dealing with inter-company communication, as well as franchise development and all the other aspects of the business. I think you're going to have a hierarchy of managers that are going to be managing an actual organization, as well as AI agents within that organization, and they'll all be working together and they'll all be collaborating.